Welcome back to new lesson. In this lesson, we're going to continue our topic about props. In the previous lesson, say two different ways about props. Today, we will learn two additional methods for using props. We will define const name message equal props and extract name and message in the props object. We can say the result exactly the same. The second method is adding the props main directly inside the function parameter. After replacing them, I add between curly braces. And you can say the browser the same result. That's all today in this lesson. Thank you for watching and don't forget to show update lesson. Goodbye.